Teenager on the Predator swapped mini bike. There's my brother AJ fixing the jump I just hit with my Hawk 250 Hawkenstein.
Watch out for Boston's on the mini bike. Boston. Landing. You need to be careful because squirrels are up there.
Don't go from that way, go from this way.
No, I know, but it's gonna be a rough thing, man.
You don't have to if you don't want to. I know, it's kind of sketchy.
Yeah, it is. What?
AJ will do it first, he'll test it. Alright, better off having the grown up test it anyways.
Let me try a lap or two real quick.
You want a helmet? Alright.
A lap or two to warm up real quick.
Go for it. There goes my brother off on the mini bike.
It's sketchy seeing it on that because knowing how small it is.
Yeah, me and AJ have jumped mini bikes plenty of times. This is what we live for. This is our paradise right here.
I did. But is the throttle on the right hand side?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
That wasn't bad, needs a little more speed.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
I was too scared to go that way.
A little more speed going that way.
Grill is on and warming up.
Thank you, son. That's my oldest. Hell yeah, brother!
That was
Fire up the heat and grill all the way.
Oh, he felt that one on the landing.
ow.
You ready?
It's safe. Mostly.